How to balance chemical equations. A chemical equation describes what happens in a chemical reaction. The equation identifies the reactants, starting materials, and products, resulting substance, the formulas of the participants, and the amount of each substance. Balancing a chemical equation refers to establishing the mathematical relationship between the quantity of reactants and products. To write a chemical equation correctly, the number of atoms on the left side of a chemical equation has to be precisely balanced with the atoms on the right side of the equation. Left side reactants, right side products. In writing chemical equations, the number in front of the substance's symbol, called a coefficient, indicates the number of molecules or atoms participating in the reaction. If no coefficient appears in front of a molecule, we interpret this as meaning 1. How to balance chemical equations? Write the unbalanced equation. Notice that there are 3 sulfur atoms on the right, but only 1 on the left. To get 3 sulfur atoms on the left, add a coefficient of 3. There are 2 aluminium atoms on the right, but only 1 on the left. To get 2 aluminium atoms on the left, add a coefficient of 2. Another example. Write the unbalanced equation. Notice that there are 2 oxygen atoms on the right, but only 1 on the left. To get 2 oxygen atoms on the left, add a coefficient of 2. Now we have 4 silver atoms on the left, but only 1 on the right. To get 4 silver atoms on the right, add a coefficient of 4. Once again. Write the unbalanced equation. Notice that there are 2 oxygen atoms on the right and 3 on the left. To get the same number of oxygen atoms on both sides of the equation, we have to put 3 before a molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 before a molecule of ferric oxide. To balance the number of iron and carbon atoms, we must add a coefficient of 3 before a carbon atom and a coefficient of 4 before an iron atom. And that's it. Thank you for watching.